Formex just did it again. The brand that blends precision engineering with bold design has introduced a brand new size to its acclaimed Essence collection. Meet the Formex Essence 41mm automatic COSC in steel, a watch that perfectly bridges the gap between the 39mm and 43mm editions, bringing a host of technical upgrades and subtle refinements to the table. Let's start on with the case. Crafted from 316L stainless steel with a titanium container, the Essence 41mm stands at just 10.6mm thick and 46.5mm lug to lug, giving it a balanced, wrist-friendly profile. Formex's signature case suspension system is still here, a clever engineering touch that enhances comfort and shock resistance, but this time they've added something fans have been asking for: a screwed-down crown, seamlessly integrated into the floating case design. With 100 meters of water resistance and double anti-reflective sapphire crystals, this is a true everyday luxury sports watch, built tough yet elegant enough for the boardroom. Formex manufactures its dials at Cadre Nord, their family-owned facility in the Swiss Jura, and the craftsmanship shows. Each dial features the Essence's signature horizontal grooves, applied indices, and diamond-polished hands filled with BGW9 Superluminova. There are 4 dial colors to choose from: Classic Blue, which shifts from navy to near black under different lighting; Gamarette, a deep burgundy inspired by the Swiss wine grape; Dégradé, a warm brown sunburst with a rich fade to black; and Arctic White, lacquered to perfection with gunmetal accents for maximum readability. Each one captures a unique character, whether you prefer sporty, classic, or bold. Powering the watch is the reliable Sellita SW200-1, certified by COSC for chronometer accuracy. Beating at 28,800 vibrations per hour, it delivers a 41-hour power reserve, ensuring dependable precision. But the real innovation lies in the bracelet and clasp. The stainless steel bracelet now comes with a new patented butterfly clasp, offering 3 micro-adjustment levels you can change on the wrist, no tools needed. Even the screws have been re-engineered for durability, and if you prefer something different, you can easily swap to leather, rubber, or nylon straps thanks to the quick-release system. The Formex Essence 41mm automatic COSC officially joins the permanent collection, available for pre-order from October 16, 2025, with delivery starting mid-November. Pricing begins at €1,590 on a strap or €1,690 on the stainless steel bracelet, both including international shipping and 3-year warranty. Refined, engineered, and built for real-world wear, this is modern Swiss watchmaking done right. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which dial color you'd choose. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next review.